Is your trusty carry-on, the one that always fits, about to become banned? It might sound dramatic, but in 2025, the wrong bag, even if it's just a little too heavy, could mean surprise fees of $65 to $75 or more right at the gate. Picture this. You're boarding, ready for your trip, and suddenly your bag gets flagged. Just a centimeter too wide or a pound too heavy. Suddenly, you're stressed, scrambling, and your wallet's lighter before you even board the plane. This isn't just bad luck. It's the new frustrating reality for travelers who aren't in the know. Airlines are cracking down, and the old rules have changed. What was fine last year might now mean a forced gate check and a hefty fee. We're seeing stricter enforcement and confusing new policies that almost seem designed to catch you off guard. Airlines say it's to maximize cabin space, speed up boarding, and improve efficiency. But for passengers, it usually just means more stress, unexpected costs, and the risk of starting your trip on the wrong foot. Budget airlines are known for eagle-eyed agents who seem eager to charge you if your bag even looks bulky. And it's not just about size anymore. Weight is becoming a bigger issue, even on some U.S. domestic flights. But there's good news. You can avoid these travel traps. This video delivers the inside scoop on airline size and weight secrets for 2025. We'll cut through the confusing rules, spotlight hidden pitfalls, and equip you with the know-how to pack smart, fly right, and keep your hard-earned cash in your pocket. If you want to dodge pricey surprises and stroll onto your next flight with confidence, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the critical changes you need to know. Most travelers rely on the common 22 by 14 by 9 inches size for carry-ons, but that's just a guideline. There's no single global rule. Airlines set their own limits, and they vary, especially internationally. Qatar Airways uses 20 by 15 by 10 inches. WestJet updated to 22 by 14 by 9 in May 2025. New bag sizers are also automated and strict. A small bulge that once passed could now get your bag rejected. And always include wheels and handles when measuring. As for personal items, most U.S. airlines allow around 18 by 14 by 8 inches, and it must fit completely under the seat. Trying to sneak in a second mini carry-on as a personal item? Not anymore. Some rumors said American Airlines would shrink carry-on sizes in 2025. While that hasn't happened yet, it's a reminder. Always double-check your airline's rules before every trip. For years, carry-on weight didn't matter much in the U.S. If you could lift it, it flew, but not anymore. Hawaiian and Frontier already have carry-on weight limits, and internationally, limits have long existed, usually 7 to 10 kilograms or 15 to 22 pounds. More U.S. airlines are quietly enforcing weight rules, especially at the gate. Budget airlines like Ryanair are especially strict. Some allow just 15 pounds, and they will weigh your bag. Tip: get a luggage scale and weigh at home. Don't guess. Because guessing could cost you at the gate. Basic economy fares are getting sneakier. They look cheap, but may not include a standard carry-on. In 2025, Air Canada removed carry-on access from many economy basic tickets bought after January 3rd. You only get one personal item. Show up with a small roller bag? That's a $65 gate check fee. Other airlines, such as Spirit and Frontier, also do this, and the trend is spreading. Bottom line, if your ticket is basic economy, confirm whether a carry-on is included. Sometimes upgrading to regular economy actually saves money. You might have heard the 3.4-ounce liquid rule was going away with new scanners, but in 2025, that progress stalled. The UK and all 27 EU countries reinstated the liquid limits. That means 3.4 ounces or 100 ml containers, all in one clear quart-sized zip-top bag. Don't bring peanut butter jam or even creamy cosmetics in large containers. They count as liquids, and most airports won't make exceptions, even for half-full bottles. In 2025, new rules are cracking down on power banks. Fire's onboard flights in 2024 and early 2025 changed everything. Power banks are completely banned in checked luggage. No exceptions. They must go in your carry-on. Some airlines even require you to store them under the seat, not in the overhead bin. Here's what's allowed. Under 100 warrant, no problem. Between 100 and 160 warrant, airline approval required. Over 160 warrant, banned entirely. Malaysia Airlines, EVA Air, and AirAsia now ban charging devices mid-flight using power banks. And smart luggage with non-removable lithium batteries probably won't be allowed at all. Check your battery's watt hours. If it's unmarked, airport security might confiscate it. The 2010 noise our quoting were 25 theme is simple. Strict enforcement. Gate agents are applying every rule every time. Carry on too big or heavy, gate check, personal item too large, fee, multiple bags, extra charges. Expect more weighing and measuring at the gate, not just at check-in. Budget carriers lead the charge, but major airlines are following suit. Avoid trouble by measuring and weighing at home. Know the rules for your airline and fare class before you go. A small mistake can cost $75 at the gate. Before every flight, run through this list. Check airline rules for your flight and fare type. Measure your bag, including wheels and handles. Weigh your bag with a luggage scale. Confirm your personal item fits under the seat. Stick to the 3 worry. Checks. Rule. Make sure your power bank is allowed. Keep electronics and liquids accessible. For multi-leg trips, check rules for all airlines involved. A few extra minutes can save you money and stress. You don't have to fear flying in 2010 and now pro 25 after in Sao 85. Just be smart, be prepared, and know the rules. The airlines are enforcing harder, but that doesn't mean you can't stay one step ahead. So pack smart, fly confident, and avoid those nasty surprises at the gate. If this guide helped you feel more prepared, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell for more smart travel tips. And tell us, what's the wildest carry-on rule you've seen? Drop it in the comments